record of its time, place, and use. It doesn't, and it's definitely changed and created a different sense of historical development. This is John Speweik, Speweik Preservation and Consultants, and we're out here at the Downer buildings at the University of Wisconsin in Milwaukee, and we're setting up training for the stone replacement and repair of the Downer buildings.
Your good side. Shirt in there. Where's your good side?
So in theory, you're taking a little bit of time by working the joint over, but then now you're going to make up your time right now popping it out.
All mortar joints were first removed using a pneumatic chisel prior to the removal of the stone. All mortar sand was sifted through a screen in order to enable the butter joint profile to be met.
What they did was they made them too short. The pieces that are supposed to correspond with that aren't.
Oh.
This is the one that we had taken out. This is the C2. This one is no longer.
Rolled out. Make it like normal mortar.
Let me get in real quick. I gotta get in.
How's the fingers doing?
We got to see the earthquake. Yeah, you gotta know how big the cutout was and be able to make that guess. I'm watching these guys working on the dam. They have the stone backwards.
Our stone sample is now completed, so you can come in and look at the finish of the ruled joint that we have done with the new stone sample, and here it is right here. And that completes our mock-up for the replacement. Each mason was responsible for completing a written test at the end of the training session. Hard hat stickers were issued at the conclusion of the training program.